Hello world, I'm Colleen and welcome to my glamorous life. If you don't know who I am, I'm an almost 50-year-old mom with 3 teenagers here to give you helpful tips, tricks, and honest reviews. And instead of doing, my makeup and everything for you today, I wanted to actually review some new makeup. I am kind of stoked I'm wearing it, so I like it. I'm going to wear it. This is the Colourpop Wine Collection. This is the Wine Only palette and the Sommal-Yay. These are their Color Shock shadows and their Wine Not liquid eyeliner. I'm going to do some swatches for you, show you what the colors are, and give you my opinions of them. I apologize in advance for the crappy writing, but I did try to write the color name on my arm as I'm showing them to you. So let's get to it. So these are the Color Shock, the Sommal-Yay, colors of Muse and Wine Down. Muse is this really cute kind of rosé color, a little more gold than wine, with a nice reflex to it. And the Wine Down is a really deep burgundy with a light reflex to it. These are really, really creamy, easy to apply shimmers. You just touch them with your finger and swipe them on. They were amazingly soft and smooth and easy to put on. So I really like these. Okay, this is the top row of the Wine Only palette. This is Blanc, Sip Sip, and Major Chianti. Again, I apologize for the bad handwriting. Blanc is a really pale, blushy gold. Sip Sip is that nice medium colored wine, and the Major Chianti is a super, super deep matte wine. I really like this row. This is a really cute combination. You can wear them together or wear them with any of the others. Row number 2, we start with Cast a Chateau, Play to Wine, and Mull It Over. Sorry, I'm not really good at holding the camera still here. Cast a Chateau, here again, it's a lighter wine with a nice little shimmer to it. Play to Wine is kind of a medium wine shimmer, and then Mull It Over is a little bit redder than that last deep one in the previous line, but it just gives you that beautiful matte deep that you want for your contour. Okay, the last row has got to be my favorite. Vintner is this deep burgundy matte, just absolutely wonderful. Mon Chéri is kind of that mid-tone deep wine with a little hint of reflex. And I wish this video could actually show you the true beauty that is Grapeful, that bottom color there. It has got kind of a green gold reflex to it, and it is just amazing. As I move my arm, you can kind of see a little bit more of it. But I'm actually wearing that. You'll see in the end, in the outer corners of my eye, on top of the Vintner. It is beautiful. And once again, Colourpop hit it out of the park with the formulations. It's a little bit of fallout, but it's worth it. So there you have it. I am absolutely in love with this. Look at the color and just the depth that you get with this. I'm also happen to be wearing the Colourpop Lippie stick in the color, what is this? Songbird. And I've accompanied that with 2 of their Lippie pencils, and that is, oh boy, I can read. LBB and Mamacita. So I went out on the outside of my lips with a darker color and then filled it in a little bit with a lighter color and then popped that Songbird on top. So I got myself all wine lipstick, all in Colourpop. So the Colourpop Wine Collection, as far as I'm concerned, this is Glam Life approved. I love it. So this week is going to be a little odd. I'm not going to post on Friday because that is New Year's Day. And I don't know about you, but I intend to recover from 2020 on that day. So I will see if I can't post a get ready with me for a New Year's Eve look on Thursday for you. I don't know if I'm going to do it live on Facebook or Instagram or even here. I haven't decided yet. But I will post that on my Instagram, what's going to happen as soon as I figure it out. So for now, I hope that the rest of 2020 treats you much better than the first part of it did. And I look forward to seeing you all New Year's Eve and hopefully having a good 2021. Ta-ta!